Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about a Filipino injection cream. They have a Filipino injection soup. They have a Filipino injection syrup. Also, in a Filipino injection lotion, they have the one that contains turmeric. They have the one that contains alpha arbutin. They have the one that contains vitamin C and also glutathione. In a Filipino injection cream, it contains SPF 30, which is very good for sunburn, saying that you're using a lightening cream. Also, Filipino injection lotion is hydroquinone free, including the syrup and the soup. It's hydroquinone free. That is something that is very good on it. So if you really want to use a Filipino injection and you want it to work very well on your skin, applying a Filipino injection on its own will not give you the results that you're looking for. But if you want it to work for you, have to mix a Filipino injection syrup with the lotion and use a very good soap. It will work for you. But if you know that you cannot come across a Filipino injection syrup or the soap, you can use a glutathione injection syrup on it, or a very good soup. Mix it together and it will work. If you're looking for about 4 to 5 shades lighter, you can use a syrup and a glutathione injection tube. Mix it together. It will give you the result that you are looking for without darkening your skin. Also, if you really want the cream to work, please make sure that you exfoliate your skin very well, so that any cream that you're using will really work for you. So that's all I have to say about a Filipino injection cream, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to hear more. Bye.